In Arvada and beyond, a seemingly small issue like a running toilet can lead to monumental waste, silently draining up to 200 gallons of water daily. The culprits? Often it's a faulty flapper valve, a misaligned flapper chain, or a corroded toilet handle. These unnoticed issues not only inflate your water bill, but also squander a precious resource. However, residents of the Arvada area, there's a straightforward solution. By calling 888-501-1193, you can summon the expertise of qualified plumbing professionals ready to fix the problem at its source. Don't let a running toilet run up your expenses or impact our environment. Act now, save water, and secure peace of mind with a simple call. Your wallet and the planet will thank you.